is Javaughn Watson. No, say, only for speculation I go on about wine in the bag, but not never in the bag. The police officer them just see the bag and say them take me some question, but right there and then a whole heap of crowd that come and them never want misunderstanding for them put me in the bag. So otherwise when not everything good, I think them just do them job and within this. So at the end of the day, I just say because you know them work and them see something and them feel like they want me card. Them protect us, you see me? Peace after and big up yourself. You don't know a bomb.
Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that you don't know the things said, people. Bless up on yourself, but you know my style already one bag of one in a one. And we gotta give you these daily updates, and you heard it for yourself, people. Why the man was detained, you know? But it was alleged, and this is according to the Observer, he was held with a firearm in a bag. Yes, he had one of them boom booms, you know, iron shoes and all of these things. You see me, I say, why? On the streets, I say, you know, say a lot of money run, you know, to the Jamaica Comedy Force. You see me, I say, I know, but if this is true, man, I just don't know why people don't go the legal route, you know. Because I'm pretty sure it's easy to obtain a legal firearm, you know. I'm pretty sure if you will have no criminal records and all of these stuff, you can get one, you see me answer. So if me there, yeah, man, I just go for my legal firearm, you see me answer. You know what I mean? Because, I mean, I law-abiding citizen, you know. But I still want to give you that update that Reggae boy, Javaughn Watson, makes public video onto why he was detained. You know, this doesn't look good for the team, you know what I mean? So, you know, just I gave that update, you know, I'm not going to stay along, you see me, so people don't forget to like, share, subscribe over here, hit the notification bell. Run your say get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.